Welcome to the Massive Open Online course in Biodiversity Finance. My name is Victoria, and in this short video, I will walk you through our course room and show you how to complete the weekly activities. When you enter the course room, you will find yourself on this page. There are several resources here that could be useful to you. If you need technical assistance, you can contact the course team here. You can learn about the expert support in the course by clicking the Meet the Experts tab here. You can access the course FAQs here. And here you can find information about the course completion requirements. We ask that you complete 6 lessons, 6 weekly quizzes with a score of 60% or higher, the final test, and the course survey. Importantly, the syllabus window here provides a clear and succinct summary of all the course components and directs you to all the pages you'll need to review. When in doubt whether any of the tasks are required, please refer to the syllabus. Once you complete the course requirements, you'll be able to download the certificate of course completion directly from this course room. The button Download Your Certificate will appear on this page once all the tabs are marked with green check marks here. The Certificate of Completion provides a valuable documentation of professional accomplishment that you can post on your LinkedIn account. Importantly, we also host weekly webinars in English each Wednesday except for week 3 at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The week 3 webinar will take place on Tuesday, the 30th of April. Please save the dates on your calendars. We will also share weekly reminders each Monday throughout the course. The webinars are optional, though highly recommended. They will include presentations and discussions with world-renowned experts. For this course, we have made it even easier for you to join the webinar sessions. No prior registration is required to enter the webinar. Simply enter the course room and follow the link under the appropriate tab to join the session live. If you can't make the live webinar, don't worry. We'll post a recording on the Learning for Nature YouTube channel and on this page within 48 hours. Now let's walk through the material that you will encounter during each week. I'll click on week 1 to show you the typical weekly activities. Content will be published each Sunday for the week ahead. Tabs for week 1 through 6 contain 6 items: the lesson, the webinar, homework assignments, biodiversity finance solutions, discussion forum, and additional resources. Quizzes for each week are available under a separate tab, Quizzes. Week 7, the final week of the course, will follow a slightly different format. Instead of the weekly lesson, homework assignments, and finance solutions, it will feature the final test and a brief survey, which are the final requirements of the course. Now, how do all the course components work together? The lessons provide a comprehensive picture of the topic discussed each week. The lessons are mandatory, so when you have finished reviewing them, remember to click the Mark Complete button here so we have a record of your lesson completion. The optional webinars help you to connect theory to practice through conversations with experts. Homework assignments provide you with the opportunity to apply the concepts introduced in the lessons. Each week, you can choose from a variety of options based on the skills you wish to develop. These assignments are not graded, but provide a mechanism for engagement with other students and facilitators. Biodiversity finance solutions are ways of using one or more finance mechanism or instrument in a particular context, targeting results that improve the sustainable management of biodiversity. The course will feature a variety of finance solutions, which will allow you to take a deep dive into the weekly theme. The discussion forum provides a dynamic opportunity for you to meet other course participants and discuss and reflect on the week's content. Additional resources allow you to more deeply explore the themes introduced in each lesson. You can keep these valuable resources and read them after the course is over, or follow along with the readings during the course. Once you have completed the course requirements, you will be able to download the certificate directly from the course room. And that's it, simple, right? One last point before we wrap up this video. Throughout the course, we encourage you to be active on the discussion forum. The ultimate goal of this course is to build a community of practice around the topic of biodiversity finance. Learning for Nature offers an opportunity to easily interact with each other, send messages to the Learning for Nature community, and have a lively discussion. We hope you will take advantage of this interactive environment on Learning for Nature and look forward to all the discussions with you. Once again, we're excited to welcome you to the course. In the meantime, follow Learning for Nature on Facebook and Twitter to participate in discussions about the course. As a reminder, the first webinar in English will be held at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 17th of April. Please don't hesitate to contact us at info@learningfornature.org with any questions. We look forward to your participation.